I think.
Okay, we're recording. This is Firle, 30th of July 2022. This is the start line of stage 1. It's 21 degrees C. And we don't know what we're doing or where we're going.
Yes. Well, we're going to wing it.
We're going up there.
Here we go.
Okay, windows going up.
Right, 0.16 straight.
Chicane.
Chicane, 0.12.
Oh, I didn't warm the brakes up. Too late.
0.7 crest. 0.6 right. 0.9 cattle grid.
Ah,
0.7 right. 0.25 straight. 0.14 left.
You're doing well.
Really? 0.24 chicane.
There he is. Okay, it's a gravel section. We're on tarmac tyres.
Okay, right.
So I have to take it easy along here.
I'll be honest, I've kind of lost where we are. I'm so
Don't
sorry.
worry. Okay, we're coming up to Long Straight in a minute.
Okay. Alright, 0.7 straight.
Whoop.
Woo! Woo!
Chicane. Ooh.
Alright, 0.25 straight. Chicane 0.13.
I'm flat out.
Alright, maybe I've missed that bit. Right, I think that's chicane. Yeah. And then I think it says flying finish 0.21. 0.7 straight.
I think that's it.
0.21, yeah. Right, completely messed that up. I'm so sorry.
Oh, right. that was
amazing.
That was good, wasn't it?
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, don't apologise.
I was just throwing numbers at you at that point. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. That was amazing.
Look at all this lot.
That's probably one of the best things I've ever done.
Now you know why we like rallying.
That was amazing. I got good fun. That was fast.
120 rallies with regards to the mid to max. Don't break it, don't break it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go get our van.
Should I go fast? Is that car okay with it?
We'll find out in a minute.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my goodness, Alayna, you're doing 100 miles an hour.
We're
Just
not
because
even
you're on the
outside.
rally stage. Alayna! Okay, alright, you can slow down now. Right. Stop showing off.
Oh, that was fun. Right, there you go.
This is a racing driver.
Taxi.